Hello, my friends. Today is the 15th of January 2023. Now it's almost 12 o'clock by Moscow time. And this is the first video for today. And I have quite interesting topic to share with you. Probably some of you did read article in a British newspaper Mirror. But if not, then you may find interesting that London now is thinking to send Apache Helicopter Gunships to the UK. I can read for you publication that was written in Russian news agency RIA Novosti, and then we can discuss this topic a little bit more. So UK will provide Ukraine with up to 4 Apache military helicopters after it hands over the Challenger 2 tanks. The Mirror newspaper reported, citing a defense source. Earlier, London announced that it would transfer 14 Challenger 2 tanks to Ukraine in the coming weeks. Tanks will arrive first, and it will take some time before the helicopters can be deployed. Other NATO members will follow suit, the source said. According to source of Mirror newspaper, Kiev needs more than 4 helicopters for their use to be strategic importance. So it's obvious that 4 helicopters not gonna change much. So, in opinion of this source, sending Apache is an important step from a tactical point of view. It is noted that helicopters will be equipped with Hellfire missiles. That's standard equipment, as I understand, for Apache helicopter gunships. That's you are probably familiar with Apaches, but I will show you. That's it, man. That's Apache helicopter. Great helicopter, one should say, with quite a strong record of being used in action. But yet again, as I noticed earlier, and even a source of this British newspaper is admitting that 4 helicopters not gonna change much. And to be honest, I think even 10, 20, 50 helicopters not gonna change much, because Ukrainian battlefield is full of anti-air systems. Russia not just controlling skies by its jets like Su-27 or Su-30 or Su-35 or even Su-57, I mean 5th gen fighter jet. Russia also controls skies by many different types of anti-air systems, from point defense system like Panzer or Tor to more long-range systems like S-300, for example. So it's hard to believe that Apache is gonna change much on a front line. But interesting point here is that it seems like NATO member states, leading NATO member states, are acting according to some kind of plan, because first they did decide to send to Ukraine some modern armored personal carriers like Bradley, for example. That's what Washington did decide. Little bit earlier even, France has decided to send to Ukraine some light armored wheeled tanks, IMX 10s, if I'm not mistaken. Then we had a statement from London and Warsaw, and they did announce that they will send to Ukraine main battle tanks like Challenger 2 and Leopard 2. So now we are hearing that London is preparing to send to Ukraine even helicopter gunships. So, I mean, it seems like, I mean, we are witnessing some kind of pattern. I mean, it should be some kind of plan. What is the end game for the Western elites? It's hard to tell, because NATO military experts will definitely tell them, if they've been asked, that these deliveries of tanks or APCs or even helicopters don't change much on the battlefield, but it seems like Western elites are acting according to some political plan mainly, and maybe they are maybe they are preparing ground for themselves to say in the future, when Zelensky's Nazi regime will be defeated, that they did everything to help Zelensky's regime. They send APCs, they send tanks, helicopters, but it did not work, because and they will probably blame Zelensky and his people, because they did not operate these systems, I mean, properly. Maybe that's what's gonna happen, because it's obvious that no matter what kind of weapons NATO member states will send to Zelensky's Nazi regime, they are doomed to fail. So yes, I hope you find this video interesting. Share your view, what you think, what is going on with these deliveries of announced deliveries of modern military weapons. And yes, if you find this video interesting, please push that like button and subscribe and share my links to my videos or my channel with your friends on your social platforms. This is it for now. Have a nice day. Take care.